Good morning, everyone. Welcome to July 31st Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we get the Dow futures up 25, the S&P futures are up 1, and NASDAQ futures are up 8. Both Asian and European shares were mixed overnight. Futures were lower ahead of the bell on Monday as the bulls hoped to add on to Friday's solid gains. The market did open lower, but the S&P turned around just before 10 a.m. Eastern, getting as high as 1391 before giving up early gains. By the time the market closed, the Dow and S&P were flat, while the NASDAQ lost ground. Today we'll get personal income and spending at 8:30 a.m., Case-Shiller at 9 a.m., Chicago PMI at 9:45 a.m., and consumer confidence at 10 a.m. We'll get earnings today from BP, Coach, Pfizer, and Valero, to name a few. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1357, the 50-day at 1336, and the 200-day at 1318. The S&P closed at 1385 with support at 1357 and resistance at 1400. Monday looked like it might have some promise after early selling, but instead the S&P ended up dead flat for the day. The good news for the bulls is the S&P put in another higher high, turning back right after it hit resistance at 1391 and closing at 1385. Now that 1391 has been touched, the next key level of resistance will be right up near 1400. This could be tricky for a few days as traders await the Fed interest rate decision on Wednesday and the non-farm payroll numbers on Friday. Still, the bulls have been resilient lately, so it's tough to bet against the market at this exact moment in time. The VIX spiked 7% on Monday in spite of the Dow and S&P being flat. This tells me there's plenty of nervousness ahead of Wednesday's rate announcement. Traders may opt to lay low until that announcement takes place, while those who are more aggressive might try to outfox the Fed. Which camp do you fall in? Place your vote below. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.